All right, I got this really nice, high quality, bristle free grill brush from Exuda Kaixin. Very high quality, bristle free. So that way, as you're cleaning it, it's not gonna, none of the bristles are gonna fall off and get into the food because you don't want that. So that's amazing. Very nice, high quality stainless steel right here and into here. Got this nice little vibe for the grip right here. Very nice, as well as this little vibe up here to hang. And then you've got this piece right here, which easily, when you're done, or maybe you want to clean it or whatever, can just easily Velcro off right there. So that's amazing. And so basically what you want to do when you're using this is you want to submerge it into cold water. So you can do that. You could also just run it under cold water, but you want to submerge it. And then you want to come over here and you're just gonna clean it like so. And it works on any type of grill. So you got gas grill, electric, griddles, whatever. This thing's amazing. As you can see, it's doing it already. I'm gonna finish the job right now, but I highly recommend it.